Pag nag-iisa't kasama ang gitara, sa dumarating ang kanta, awiting maaari kung may kasama, tungkol mo'y butas na lata, sabayan na sipol ang bawat pasada, umiyak ka ng malalim at sabay ang buga, kapag buo na't handa ng lahat, sabay-sabay ang pasok sa bagsag ng paa. Ito na, ito na, ito na. Dubi-dubi-du, bidu-bidu, dubi-dubi-du, bidu-bidu, dubi-dubi-du, bidu-bidu, dubi-dubi-du-bidu. Kailangan mo susumay mananda, basta't may kunting tono, madaling maganda. Kung medyo sintonado ay hayaan mo na, ang nais ng nagtamo yung kunting saya, ihanda tropa. Tapos kasunod mapunin na lang gitara, kapag unang tanda ng lahat, umiyak ka ng malalim at narito na. Ito na, ito na, ito na. Tube! Dubi-dubi-du, bidu-bidu, dubi-dubi-du, bidu-bidu, dubi-dubi-du, bidu-bidu, dubi-dubi-du-bidu. Tube!
Mitoy nga, Mitoy. Masaya ka. Mitoy, hindi. Mitoy, Mitoy.
Okay, ako Billy, with my critical thinking, kumbaga.
Sige.
So, we were certain it was Mitoy before because of his movement pa lang and
Yeah.
everything.
The voice.
His voice. But today, after the next episode, I think he, we have the best choreographer here in the show. Diba? Teacher Jercel from G-Force.
That's right.
So parang nag-workshop sila na wag ipakita yung ibahin mo yung galaw.
Maninisi ka pa.
Hindi niya i-hum-hum-bam ang
Iniba niya. So you could tell the song was amazing. It was great. All of us had goosebumps. But he was holding back so much. Diba? He was holding back. He changed his voice and he held back so much.
Holding back.
So I'm gonna still keep my guess to Bitoy. But I'm gonna wait. Hold on, Kuyaga. I'm gonna hold my guess to Bitoy, but you never know, again, what the show can give.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put Gabby Concepcion.
Okay. Sir Haji?
Baldubino?
Baldubino.
Jovid.
Jovit Baldubino.
Ah.
Sir Aga, ikaw naman.
One thing I can say, yung last performance and now, yung sinasabing iniba, pero nandun pa rin sa dulo yung forever!
Yun.
Parang ganun pa rin yun eh, di ba?
Parang tumalong ka lang sa building.
Kaya hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko talaga
Nasa commercial
Hindi mo
daw
pa
ng
rin
pizza.
Pero yung sinasabi niya na si Mitoy, ako yun lang ang pwede kong maisip din si Mitoy because of his height and
Yes.
alam mo, di ba si Mitoy yung built niya and di ba yung parang rock siya na
May mga
may
sing-sing lagi
may mga
si
gano'n,
Mitoy.
no?
Yes.
Ayan, no?
Yan.
Pero sis, pinapakita niya na
Level nyo, si Mitoy pa rin. Ang pangalawa naman, Gabby Concepcion.
Let's find out! Sabayan niyo ako! Tanggalin na yan! 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 Tanggalin! Uy, nauna yung hood! Oh my God! Oh!
Malalaman na natin kung sino si Frank Sinatra sa pagbabalik ng Masked Singer Pilipinas.
Well, let's find out! Sabayan niyo ako! Tanggalin na yan! 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 Tanggalin! Uy, nauna yung hood! Oh my God! Oh! Bro, maraming salamat. Talagang tama yung sinabi ni Mateo. You really shocked the world and you shocked us dito sa Masked Singer Pilipinas. Napakahusay mo. Pero ano ang feeling na for the first time, nakita ka na ng Masked Universe? Gusto magtago ulit.
Kaya po. Sorry. Hindi po ako sanay. Pero, yeah. I gave my best. I'm just happy.
Grabe ba? Grabe. Mary, maraming salamat for sharing your time dito sa Masked Singer Pilipinas stage. We thank you so much. Ang Grand Champion makikilala na sa pagbabalik ng Masked Singer Pilipinas, the final battle. Once again, palapakan natin, Arthur Neri!
chance ng sasakang. Ayan o, thank you.
Siguro ay wala.
Ito na.